Ideal starter or second home for someone who wants to be close to Pier Park, Brown Recreational Complex and the beach. The sellers recently upgraded the home with vinyl plank flooring, added a half bath to a bedroom, replaced the stove, and had the interior repainted. The roof was replaced in 2011, all new windows in 2017, and the 12 by 20 shed in the backyard has a 2018 roof. There's plenty of room in the privacy-fenced backyard to add a pool too. You're just half a block from Scott Field Public Park, which has a basketball court, playground, picnic pavilion and plenty of green space for the kids to play. You're also just 5 minutes from the beach, Pier Park and Frank Brown. A great home in a quiet, family-friendly neighborhood. All info is approx and must be verified by buyers.